Imagine discovering an ancient skeleton buried deep beneath the earth, no levels, no history, just silence. Now ask yourself, how old is it? Not a guess, not a theory, but an exact answer. This is where science steps in. This is carbon dating. Carbon dating, the science that reads time, also known as radiocarbon dating, is one of the most powerful scientific tools ever developed. It introduced in 1949 by Williams Libby. Today, it allows scientists to determine the age of organic materials up to 50,000 years old with impressive precision. The principle is simple yet extraordinary. All the organisms absorb carbon from the atmosphere. Among these carbon, a rare ca- uh, radioactive isotope, carbon 14. As long as as long as an organism is alive, the levels of the carbon 14 remains stable. But the moment life ends, the clock starts ticking. The carbon 14 begins to decay at the fixed rate. This fixed rate is called the half-life. That is 5,730 years. That means every 5,730 years, half of the carbon 14 disappears. By measuring what remains, scientists can calculate how long ago the organism died. It's not a magic, it's measurable time. Now look at some remarkable facts. Carbon dating has confirmed that the Dead Sea Scrolls are over 2000 years old. It has been used to date the ancient Egyptian mummies, fossils, and remains of the early humans. In the relatively recent samples, it can achieve accuracy within 20 to 50 years. However, it has limits. It's only work on the organic materials like wood, bones, and cloth. And beyond 50,000 years, carbon 14 becomes too little to measure accuracy. The carbon dating is more than the method. It is the bridge between the past and the present. It helps us to understand the timeline of the human evolution, the rise and the up and rise of the civilization, the true age of the historical discoveries. Without it, the history would be full of assumptions. With it, the history becomes evidence-based truth. In the end, the carbon dating teaches us something profound. Time never truly disappears, it lives beyond clues. And through the science, we have learned how to read those clues with precision, with confidence, and with curiosity. Because in the silent world of the past, the carbon dating gives times a voice. Thank you.